This is a quick tutorial on how to create a triple crochet. As you can see here, I've already completed a few rows of triple crochet, so you can see what that stitch looks like. Now we can go ahead and get started. Before I start my next row, I am going to go ahead and chain 4. Usually you will start off with a chain 4 when you are creating triple crochet. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to create a triple crochet. I'm going to wrap the yarn around your hook, going to wrap it around again, going to insert your hook into the stitch, going to pull up a loop, and that will leave you with 1, 2, 3, 4 loops on your hook. From there, you are going to grab this yarn right here, you're going to yarn over. You're going to pull through the first 2 loops on your hook. That will leave you with 1, 2, 3 loops on your hook. Now you're going to go ahead and yarn over again, pull through the next 2 loops on your hook. That will leave you with 1, 2 loops on your hook. Then you're going to go ahead and yarn over and pull through the 2 remaining loops on your hook, leaving you with 1 loop on your hook. Let's go ahead and do that again. Wrap the yarn around your hook, you're gonna wrap it around again, you're gonna insert your hook into that next stitch, pull up a loop, leaving you with 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over again and pull through 2 loops, yarn over one last time and pull through the remaining 2 loops on your hook, leaving you with 1 loop. Again, you're going to wrap that yarn around, you're going to wrap it around again, insert your hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, leaving you with 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. You're going to wrap that yarn around twice. You're going to insert into that next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Wrap that yarn around twice, insert into the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. All right, so you're gonna wrap that yarn around your hook, you're gonna wrap it around again, insert that hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Wrap that around your hook twice, just like that. You're gonna insert into the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through that remaining 2 loops on your hook. And that is how you create the triple crochet stitch.